Chris Powell, thank you so much for joining me on Test Drives with Tora.
Yes.
This is going to be a great time.
I'm pretty excited.
Are you excited just to be talking to me or to be driving the Audi that you're driving?
Well, this goes two ways. To get a little one-on-one time with Tora Speech is kind of hard. So I'm very excited for this opportunity. But I am driving a new Audi SQ5.
Come on, SQ5.
Yes.
I heard through the grapevine that you were looking at one.
I am. So this is a nice little opportunity for me to see it. Yeah. Beautiful car.
The good thing is I know people. So let me know when you're ready to make that happen.
Yeah.
What do you do at Audi Greenville?
I am a parts consultant for Audi. Basically,
you said that so like chill when y'all back there breaking like records.
Yeah, we've been pretty fortunate here.
I think we go left.
We're gonna go left. We're making a Louis. Parts consultant. So basically, do retail, wholesale. Biggest part of our business is we are our own customer. We our service department. So we wouldn't be as successful as we are without that service department.
Fancy that. And I just recently learned, believe it or not, in our last all-store meeting that we deliver parts like all over.
Yeah. So our wholesale department, we have two amazing drivers that one goes south, one goes north every day. We go typically as high as Eastern Tennessee. So we're servicing the Asheville area daily.
Yeah.
And then south as Columbia, sometimes a little bit further than that, depending on the job.
And that's all like in a day's work.
Yeah.
That is insane to me. Like that really blew my mind. I'm not exactly sure what I thought our parts department consisted of, but I didn't know we did that.
Yeah, so it's customer service. Not even don't sleep on that. It comes from us dealing with our customers personally, and then our delivery drivers handling that same thing, that same aspect of it. So and that's why we do have all those customers. We have all those customers in the Asheville area, even though there is an Audi dealership in Asheville.
Exactly.
So they'd rather purchase from us. That's
what blows it's not even mind blowing because I get it. Like we know that relationships are everything, and we know that we pride ourselves as a dealership seriously on customer service, even if we can't make everyone happy, on the same day or in one day rather. But the fact that people still even come to our service department, they will pass other Audi dealerships just to be a part of what Audi Greenville is doing.
Yeah,
so
definitely.
Kudos to y'all, man.
Yeah, it's something to be proud of,
So Chris, tell me, you've lived life a little bit.
Yeah.
You've been blessed in many ways.
43 years young.
40? Are you really 43?
Next week, yeah.
A happy early birthday! That is awesome. I really thought you were still in your 30s, but
Thank you.
You're welcome. You take great care of yourself. Good for you. That being said, looking back on the younger miniature version of you, or maybe a young man or young woman who aspired to do what you're doing, what would be your words of encouragement or advice to that younger you or someone aspiring to do what you do?
Oh God, younger me, quit goofing off. Quit trying to make jokes all the time and work.
Yeah?
No, I mean, just
you're young, buddy. I'm just saying.
Yeah, just find something you enjoy.
Yes.
And just give it all you got, because if you enjoy your job, it's not like work. It's less stress. And that's something, I'm not just saying that because I'm riding around with Tora Speech here, but I truly enjoy what I do. I enjoy the people I work with. I get to drive around beautiful cars like this, and I laugh it up all day, and I try to make everybody laugh. And at the end of the day, I just ran over a snake. Did you just see that?
I saw that snake.
At the end of the day, it's not like work,
Yeah.
Granted, there are some days that are harder than others, but that's life. And that's what I would tell my younger self.
Very good.
That's life.
Very good. And take those words at face value. Chris, thank you so much for taking this ride with me.
Oh, I had a blast.
You're amazing. And thank you for all you do for Audi Greenville.
Thank you.
Yes.